Hey guys, I'm Yari here, and today I'm going to show you that how can you turn off the speech recognition bar at the top of your screen. So yes, it has been complained that whenever you open your laptop or computer, you're able to see this disturbing thing on the top of the screen. So how can you turn it off? So yes, let's get started. Just type here control panel. I just got it. Open it. Go to ease of access. Go to speech recognition. And here you can see the advanced speech options. Click on it. This is what you can see on your screen. Now turn this off. Turn this button off. It is written that run speech recognition at the startup. Just untick it and press OK. And just also turn off this and close everything right there. So now whenever you open your desktop, you will not able to see that thing on the top, that speech recognition thing on the top of your desktop. So yes, this was it. I hope I helped you. Thanks for watching. Bye.